This is one of the things that's very important that we share and we speak about today that will really open us up to greater abilities to manifest intentionally. This usually has to do with giving permission. As children, we are often conditioned to believe that we need to ask for permission from our parents, from society, from other adults in order to receive something we desire. Most people end up taking this pattern of needing to ask for permission into their adulthood. However, as we become adults, the amount of people we used to look to for permission becomes significantly less, often leaving us and a part of ourselves, especially our inner child, feeling a bit lost and or without clear direction. It can also keep us waiting on the sidelines of our dreams and our highest visions, rather than fully participating and allowing them to show up in the now. This occurs because we are not usually taught as children, and then, of course, as adults, how to give and receive permission to and from ourselves. Most of us end up learning it eventually throughout our life experiences. However, it often comes with a great deal of hardship into that space that, man, we really need to give ourselves permission, but we don't want to go that hard route. We want it to be easy and graceful. So understanding and then making it a top priority to apply the knowing that the only permission we've ever needed is our own is one of the most freeing acts we can give to ourselves. This allows us to no longer depend on and wait for the permission of others. We actually now are free to be and live our life to the fullest. This is liberation, and this is one of the main ingredients and one of the main abilities that can help us manifest, which is giving ourselves permission. So many of us are just waiting for something or someone to give us permission. Permission to be happy, permission to be prosperous, permission to be at peace, whatever it is, simply because as children, we were taught that. We were taught to wait. We were taught to ask. And so as adults, if we haven't gone through those hardships or at least learned from them, often we're still in that holding pattern. We're still in that pattern of waiting for permission. So when we understand that we are the only permission we need from ourselves, then we can start moving forward in a way that can be empowering, enlightening, healing, and align us with the desired manifestations so that we know now we deserve it. We are worthy of it. So can we have our I am presence show us all the lessons we were meant to learn from all the times we have been waiting to receive permission from others in order to get what we want? If you want that, say yes. So what would happen if you gave yourself the full permission to have what you want, to have what you desire? What would happen? What would life look like if you gave yourself full permission and you gave your inner child full permission to be in that space? Just think about that for a moment. And so this often leads us to the idea, but I don't know what I want. So can we have the I am presence show you how to get clear on what it is that you want? And you do that by asking yourself, what is it that I really want? What is it that makes my heart sing? What is it that makes me happy? Can we show you how to ask yourself those questions and how to align and move in the direction of giving yourself what you truly want? If you want that, say yes. Any part of yourself that is withholding permission from yourself for any reason, can we show you how to honor that, how to love that part of yourself? It's only doing that because it thinks it's protecting you. Can we do that now? And then can we show you how to recognize the value and honor the parts of you that really wants to give you what you want, so that you can give yourself that permission? If you want that, say yes. So in this moment, are you willing to give yourself full permission to give yourself what you want? Are you willing to do that? If it's a yes, just affirm out loud yes. If there's any resistance around that, where do you feel that resistance in your body? Go ahead and feel that resistance wherever it needs to be felt if you are not getting a yes. And let's just feel that. Let's feel wherever it is. If it's in your chest, if it's in your solar plex, your stomach area, wherever it is, just allow yourself to focus your awareness on that part of your body. And let's just honor it and allow it to be. We're not trying to change it. We're not trying to understand it. We're just acknowledging it. And if your mind wants to go in a different direction, has thoughts, thank them, thank those thoughts, and come back to just feeling that feeling in your body. If you have any resistance, just let yourself feel it. So when you allow yourself to feel whatever needs to be felt, in this case, if it's the resistance, it will start to feel acknowledged and honored, and then it will start to soften. The moment it starts to soften, so it may have already softened, it may take a few more moments, it may take longer than that. So however long it needs, allow that to be, and then when it starts softening, just honor it, send it love and compassion. Thank it for trying to get your awareness, trying to get your attention, and then just allow yourself to just feel that ease in that part of your body, that lightness, and just express gratitude to the universe, because all that resistance wanted was to be acknowledged. So now, check in with yourself. How do you feel? Do you feel more peace? Do you feel more relaxed? Good. Take a deep breath in and release. So are you willing, my friend, to give yourself full permission to give yourself what you want? Are you willing? Yes. Good. And this will continue to expand. This will continue to grow. So if it's not a heck yes right now, if it's just a, oh yeah, I think so, that's amazing. Honor that. If it's still not sure, if it's honor that. Go back and see where you feel that in your body. Allow yourself to feel it, and then keep coming back to this question until you can fully feel like a yes. I give myself full permission to give myself what I want. When your body, your mind, your energy is fully aligned with that yes, oh my goodness, you are going to be so powerful, because now you are getting to be you. You're giving yourself permission to be you. Ultimately, that's what we want, is to be ourselves. And we want to expand and experience more of ourselves through our experiences. Isn't that amazing?